participants. Okay. Yeah, we're on 19 participants. Wonderful. Thank you so much for everyone for joining. I did not expect this many participants to come, but yeah, it's a very pleasant surprise. Okay, so sorry. I just wanted to put this in a screen. Probably. Okay, so what I really wanted to do is because see, there is one thing. When you go, if you have observed, if you go to any of the ISKCON temples, when you do this, what do you say, Dandavat Namaskar, you primarily, first you do Dandavat Namaskar to whom? Does anybody visited the ISKCON temple?
Yes, Prabhu. Prabhupada.
Yeah. So can somebody tell me why people do Dandavat Pranam first, or you kind of pay your obeisances or respects to your guru, then you go and give respects to actually God. So why is that? That means you are, why is that a etiquette that we follow? So that's one thing I wanted to ask you, if anybody wanted to comment about it or put your thoughts on that.
Guru is shows the path to the devotional service, Prabhu.
Okay. Okay. Any other thoughts from anybody? Thank you, Mataji. Avanti Mataji. Very nice.
Thank you, Prabhu.
Why do you think? I was, because this was not my culture, where the background with which I came. So I was kind of surprised. So if anybody has any other thought, please let me know. One last thought. Okay. So basically, we go with that culture, or we follow that etiquettes, Vaishnava etiquettes, because to know, or to know who is the God, Guru helps you on that. So that is the reason why we kind of first pray to Guru, or do our Dandavat Pranam to Guru, then go seek the blessings of the Supreme Lord. Okay, so what I wanted to see, basically the core program, just to give you an idea what we are going to do in the next coming days on these 15 minutes, is basically we will try to learn certain Vaishnava etiquettes. We will do chanting for one round of chanting, and we will know about why we should do chanting based on certain books. One is this book called Japa. Japa is the book written by Gurujan Prabhu. It's a very nice book. So we'll read from this particular passages from this book, and understand why we should do Japa, because most of the time Japa becomes mechanical. So how is that we can really put ourselves by the knowledge that other Vaishnavas have shared? That's one thing. And there is one more book called Sri Namamruta. So this Namamruta book, what we will do is that we will read passages from this and understand from Shastra why one should do chanting, and why this is the only way that is prescribed in Kali Yuga. And one last book that also we'll do right now is that there is a book called Vaishnava Songs book. So because there's a lot of philosophy about our Vaishnava culture as embedded in this, so we will also small songs that are there by senior Vaishnavas, we will sing that also in this 15 minutes daily. So if you have any other expectations, agenda, please you can message it to me. We will try to accommodate. So thanks everyone for joining, for your interest. So today, since it's already 5 minutes, we have only a few more minutes to go. So I wanted to do this, since we are starting this program, we want the mercy of the Guru. So you can also do this. And as a etiquette, the first prayer that we do early in the morning is this prayer called Guru Ashtakam, or this is the Samsara Dava Navanir Lota. So this one. So this prayer you might be familiar, but if you wanted to also practice at home, this is the song that you can practice. This is basically prayers to the spiritual master. So I will sing, and after that, you don't unmute, but you can sing at your place. I'll. Okay, so let's see how much time it takes, but we will try to do this because it's the first day. We wanted to get the mercy of our spiritual master. So later on, you can read the what is the meaning for each of these verses that we are doing. Samsara Dhavananidhaloka Tranaya Karunya Ganatvam Samsara Dhavananidhaloka Tranaya Karunya Ganatvam Praptasya kalyana gunarnavasya Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam Praptasya kalyana gunarnavasya Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. Can somebody repeat after me these 4 lines?
Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord.
So you can unmute and do that. Okay. Samsara Dhavananidhaloka Tranaya Karunya Ganatvam. Can you repeat? One of you?
Samsara
Praptasya kalyana gunarnavasya Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. Please repeat. Praptasya kalyana gunarnavasya Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. So can one of you, Avanti Mataji, can you read this, the meaning for this for these 4 lines, the spiritual master? Can you be louder?
The spiritual master is receiving a benediction from the ocean of mercy. Just as cloud pour the water on the forest fire to extinguish it, so the spiritual master delivers the material afflicted world by extinguishing the blazing fire of material existence. I offer my respectful obeisance onto the lotus feet of such spiritual master, who is the ocean of auspicious qualities.
Okay. So one last, these next 4 lines of this particular song we will sing, and then we'll stop for today and we'll continue some other time. Mahaprabhu ki Tana Nitya Gita Vaditya Madhyan Manasura Sena Mahaprabhu ki Tana Nitya Gita Vaditya Madhyan Manasura Sena Romanchakam Pashutaranga Bajo Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam Romanchakam Pashutaranga Bajo Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. Vrajavallabhi Devidasi Mataji, can you read this, the next slide, chanting the holy name?
Okay, Prabhu. Hare Krishna, Prabhu.
Dandavat.
Chanting the holy name, dancing in ecstasy, singing and playing musical instruments, the spiritual master is always gladdened by the Sankirtana moment of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, because he is relishing the mellows of pure devotion within his mind. Sometimes his hair stands on end. He feels swirling in his body, and tears flow from his eyes like waves. I offer my respectable obeisances unto the lotus feet of such a spiritual master.
Thank you, Mata. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna.
So, thank you, Hare Krishna. So, we will read from this book called Japa, one particular passage from Japa book, and then we will do our one round of chanting. So, I'm going to read. Probably you do not have the book with you, but just be attentive in listening to what I am reading here. There are different keys. There are various keys for our spiritual growth. So one of the keys for what is mentioned here, chant Hare Krishna. Chanting Hare Krishna is the method of self-realization for Kali Yuga, for iron age of quarrel and strife. Although Kali Yuga is an ocean of faults, there is still one good quality about this age. Simply by chanting the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, one can become free from the material bondage and be promoted to transcendental kingdom. How often should we chant? So this is the question that we also have. How often we should chant this Hare Krishna Maha Mantra? If possible, always, that's what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu recommended. Kirtaniya Sadahari. So if possible, you can chant all the time. Kirtaniya Sadari. If unable to chant constantly, we should chant at least our prescribed number of rounds on beats. On beats is what he is recommending us to chant. So whatever is the prescribed number. So basically I do 16 rounds, but for beginners, you can start with 1 round, 2 rounds, whatever, but be consistent in your rounds. Okay. So that is what he is mentioning here. Whether on beats or off beat, we should chant Hare Krishna as much as we can. Whether you are a family person living at home or a sannyasi living in the forest, constantly chant and call out Hari Hari. Whether you are in the condition of happiness or distress. So whether you are in the condition of happiness or distress, you should chant. Do not forget this chanting. Just fill your lips with Hari Hari. So that is what is mentioned in this particular book called Japa. So I have read it from there, and similarly we'll be reading from various other books. And today is a very auspicious day because we are doing
Radhakund Appearance Day.
Hare Krishna Mataji, you have said something?
Radhakund Appearance Day, Prabhu.
Okay. Thank you, Mataji. So very nice. So a lot of senior Vaishnavas are there in this association. We are very blessed. Please guide us, Matajis and Prabhujis. I am also not very elevated. I've just started my journey also. Along with you, please, I will also pray for me that I will also get elevated. So let's do group chanting for 5 minutes or for 1 round. I know I've crossed little bit of time now, but we'll complete 1 round of chanting with your permission.
No problem, Prabhu.
We will stick to the time.
Okay.
So before we do this chanting, there is one mantra that we usually do that. That is basically, see, spiritual journey is not based on with our own effort. So this is the difference between the mundane journey that you take in your material world for achieving certain things. But spiritual journey is basically dependent upon mercy. Mercy of our Guru, mercy of the Supreme Lord, mercy of senior Vaishnavas, all that. So when we do this chanting also, we basically do not use this point finger. Basically, this finger which is there, we do not use. Because this is the one which shows faults with others. If I wanted to show faults with you, I say you are very bad, and you, so whatever. So this is a finger which is showing faults to others. So we do not want to use that in your spiritual activity. So that is the reason we do not use this in your chanting. So this bead bag will help us. If you do not have a bead bag or if you do not have a beads, we can order it for you. If you can send a message to me, I'll send you a link where it can be posted to your home. So that also can be arranged, and with a very nominal charges only. So before we do the chanting, we do this mantra. Jaya Shri Krishna. You can repeat after me. All of you can unmute because we are doing group chanting. We can unmute. Okay. And let me stop the share, and we can all go on this particular view called gallery view. Okay, so very nice. So I think we are able to see everyone in the list, right? You can, if you want, you can put your video on or whatever you wanted to unmute yourself and do the chanting. Thank you, Govardhan Prabhu. He is also joined. So you can unmute and I repeat after me this mantra. After that, we will do group chanting of Hare Krishna mantra all together. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya.
Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya.
Prabhu Nityananda.
Prabhu Nityananda.
Shri Advaita.
Shri Advaita. Gadadhara.
Shivasadi.
Srivasadi.
Gaura Bhakta Vrinda.
Gaura Bhakta Vrinda.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Krishna Krishna.
Krishna Krishna.
Hare Hare.
Hare Hare.
Hare Rama.
Hare Rama.
Hare Rama.
Hare Rama.
Rama Rama.
Rama Rama.
Hare Hare.
Hare Hare.
Now we will do this mantra whole together. All of us can do. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama. Hare Rama, Rama Rama,
Hare Rama,
Hare
Rama
Rama,
Rama,
Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna,
Krishna
Krishna
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Hare,
Hare,
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama,
Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna,
Two more times we will do.
Hare Krishna,
Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,
Hare
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 Hare,
Ram, Hare Ram,
Hare
Ram Ram,
Rama,
Hare Hare.
Hare Rama,
Hare
Rama
Krishna,
Rama,
Krishna
Hare
Krishna,
Hare.
Hare Hare.
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Rama, Hare
Hare
Rama, Ram
Krishna,
Rama, Hare
Krishna
Hare.
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Hare,
Hare Krishna, Krishna
Hare
Krishna, Hare
Rama,
Hare.
Hare
Hare Rama,
Rama,
Ram Rama,
Rama
Hare Hare.
Rama,
Hare
Hare
Thank
Krishna,
you,
Hare.
Hare Krishna,
Matajis
Hare
Krishna
and
Krishna,
Krishna,
Prabhujis, for
Krishna
Hare Rama,
attending
Ram
today's
Rama.
session.
Hare
And I
Krishna,
thank
Hare
you
Krishna,
all for
Hare
so nicely having faith in the chanting. Please, uh, Mataji's, can we stop chanting now? I'm sorry. So we will adjust the time next time. We will, if required, we will try to do one complete round of chanting, which takes around 6 minutes to maximum 7 minutes. So we will try to do that. 7 minutes, we will read the passage, and 7 minutes chanting every day we will do. Before we conclude, I wanted to mention what is said in the Shastra about chanting. Harer Nama, Harer Nama, Harer Namaiva Kevalam. Kalau Nasteva Nasteva Gatir Anyatha. So it is said in the Shastra that Harer Nama, Harer Nama, Harer Namaiva Kevalam. That means Hare Krishna Mahamantra, which is there. This is the only way in Kali Yuga. There is no other way. Harer Nama, Harer Nama, Harer Namaiva Kevalam. Kalau Nasteva. In Kali Yuga, Nasteva means there is no other way. Kalau Nasteva, 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 Gatir Anyada. It said 3 times. Nasteva, Nasteva. That is, there is no other way in Kali Yuga for you to spiritually grow other than taking the shelter of the holy name. So that is the verdict of the Shastras. There are so many slokas. This book, what I was mentioning of Sri Namamrutam, is basically, this is a very good book, and it talks about the importance of the holy name. And this is from the Shastras. They have been quoting, and we will quote certain Shastras, because as I told you, whatever we are going to do, it has to be passing through Guru, Sadhu and Shastra. So in that process, we are going to do. Thank you all for joining. Tomorrow, same time, please join. And please continue your chanting if you wanted to for the one round, 5 to 10 minutes. If you can do that, that would be nice. And I will individually interact with you at later point of time. So I see that Krishna Kumar Bhargav Prabhu has joined. And I have seen Suhasini Mataji, Vasvi Mataji, Malviya Mataji, Ramya Mataji, Sunil Prabhu, Vamika Kapoor, Sharla, Venkat, Srinivas. So Premalata Mataji, thank you all. I would like to interact with you personally, and there will be other Prabhujis and Matajis also from our ISKCON who will also be talking to you, and they will also help all of us to grow in this journey that we have taken. So if you have any questions or concerns, please message it to me, or you can also online, you can submit to those things, and we will address it accordingly. Thank you so much, and have a good time. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Thank you. Hare Krishna Leela Shri Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Juhi Jaina Mataji. Thank you.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna
Hare
Prabhuji.
Krishna. Hare Krishna. Thank you, Prabhu.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Dandavat Mataji. So nice to see you again, Mataji, here. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Me too, Prabhuji.
Thank you, Shiva Agarwal Mataji. Thank you.